welcome to the survival video. I'm gonna be surviving in the wild in St. Pete Pier in St. Petersburg, Florida. Zoom in, zoom in.
That's as far as I can go.
That's as far as you can go. Zoom out. Zoom back in. Damn straight. Survival time. Okay, that's shelter.
Wait, what are you looking at?
The steps of survival. We need recognition, inventory, shelter, signals, wanted food. Step 1, inventory. Obviously, I need to stay safe with my foods, like these leaves. Oh. Yeah. Are these poisonous?
I don't think so. Doesn't the red mean that they're
Poisonous? So the second thing to survival is you want to find shelter like this. I found this leaf. It'll protect me from the rain. It's conveniently on a sidewalk. So in case I need to like leave, I can just walk away.
a leaf in case you need to leave.
Shut up, Brad. Ain't nothing suspicious going on here. Keep on walking. You filming that?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Step 4, signals, so you can be rescued.
You must be running out of film by now, no?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm raging. Step number 4. I think that's good. Step 5, hydration. Hey, well, I hope you learned something about survival. I didn't. This is a horrible video, and it's the first one on my new channel. Subscribe. Riley, you gotta stop filming it. Are you still filming? Are you still filming?
Just gonna head out.
Well, if you're not filming, then
Okay, I'm done.
I was just saying, I was saying something like how I feel about this one race. Oh shit! Oh, you're filming!
Oh!
Ah!
What were you gonna say? What were you gonna say?
No, I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Hey! Hey! Dude, fucking stop doing this. Oh shit! You're at my dick now.